Welcome back to Barking Baggers, guys. We are back up at the cabin in the mountains, doing our first ride here since we got here a couple days ago. The weather's perfect, beautiful. You know, it's hit and miss up here. Sometimes it can be way too cold to ride, but it's I think it's 65 today, so it doesn't get much better. And I just picked a few random roads and just going to jump on them here and take off. We got Deneen in front of us on our Riker 600. I got my my mountain bike, my road glide, the Vulcan Nomads on ice in Florida, waiting for us to get back there and ride. So yeah, ride along, man. We'll see what we can get into today. Yeah, the old Rover was sitting up here at the cabin for about a month and a half, not being ridden while we were down in Florida. And yeah, it fired right up, man. It's running better than ever. It's weird. It's running really good, so I'm happy about that. You know, of course, they're on trickle chargers and stuff, but you always worry about the fuel. Put a little stabilizer in there, and I think we're good to go. Yeah, we're running up to a place called Turtle Run Creek Falls, I believe it is. It's like a hiking trail with a waterfall. So we just wanted to check it out. Somewhere to go. All the roads are so nice up here, so got to get out and check them out. We're in North Carolina right now. We're going to cross over to the Tennessee border and pick up a road called Farmer Road, and that's going to take us up to the falls. Got my buddy John Boy. My subscribers, you guys will know him from our videos. He's always the one riding with me, my main riding buddy. And he has a place in Georgia, so him and his wife are coming up, spending Thanksgiving with us, and we're going to air fry a turkey, which I've never heard of. I heard the oil fry before, I never heard of air frying. So he said, yeah, it takes about 3 hours, and it comes out perfect. So we're really looking forward to that. I'm going to get some footage of us just partying and having a good time. So stay tuned for some of those videos. But for now, just enjoy the mountains. Got that thin Florida blood still, and I thought we might need our chaps and stuff for this ride. I packed them, but we don't need them. It's perfect out right now. All you winter guys will be saying, what, chaps in 65 degrees? But you get accustomed to hot weather, man, let me tell you, because I'm from Pittsburgh originally, man. I could ride in 40 degrees with a frickin' t-shirt on, you know, back in the day. But you definitely changed living in the heat. Pretty crazy. She's even rocking her gloves today. Yeah, I'm taking the bike trailer back this trip when we go back to Florida, and I think I'm going to bring the ATVs up next time. If y'all don't know, we also got an ATV riding channel. It's called Dirt Flirts. And we have a lot of fun out there too. That's down in Florida, so never rode up here before in North Carolina, so we'll give that a shot too. But check that channel, you might enjoy it. After the falls, I'm not sure where we're going. We might head to the you know, our favorite spot, Gym 64 up there in Copper Hill, Tennessee, and maybe get a little late lunch there. It's actually 3 o'clock already here. So definitely late lunch, early dinner. But they got great food, cold beer, so that's all I need. The old Reinhardts are sounding good today. Love them. True duals, can't beat it. Torque cam, I'm all set, man. Yeah, we're going to cross into Tennessee and then start looking for Total Run, and Farmer is the main road. Yeah, we passed a motorcycle repair shop, looks like mainly Harleys, and it's literally about 3 minutes from my house, my cabin up here. So I'm gonna go in there and check it out, feel out the boys, see what they can work on, what they can't, how good they are. And boy, that'd be awesome to have a mechanic right there though, wouldn't it? So hopefully that'll pan out. We're looking for Farmer Road, so if you guys see it, let me know. I have a good track record of passing roads. Yeah, I just talked to Deneen on the old intercoms here in the helmet. She said little Riker is running perfect, and she's loving the weather. How could you not? So yeah, man, we're having a good time today. Hope you guys like the mountain rides. It's so much better than Florida. Yeah, Florida is year-round riding. That's why everybody likes it. But to be honest with you guys, it's not the greatest riding. It's very flat, boring, east-west, no twisties. And in the summer, it's brutally hot. You got the helmet on, stopping at red lights with the pavement heat coming up. Yeah, it's like a whole different world up here for us. Got the best of both worlds now, man. Got the little Vulcan down there riding in the winter when it's nice. Come up here the rest of the year, blast around on the Rover. Perfect. And if you're watching this video, I finally have the helmet cam audio problem worked out. And it turned out to be a bad mic. Replaced the mic, and lo and behold, the second mic was bad too. Both of them crackling. So ordered a couple more, put this one on, and that was a problem the whole time. So that was getting very annoying. I'm sure it was for y'all too. You guys made it this far, man. You must be enjoying the ride, so hit that subscribe for me. We're trying to keep this channel going, but I need to get some subscribers. I went on the analytics, and like 87% of the people watching aren't subscribed, so that would really help us out a lot. We appreciate it. Man, it's so nice. Nobody behind us too. Nobody pushing us, man. That makes the ride so much nicer. Because I want her to take her time and feel comfortable, not rushed, man. That thing's a little sketchy on the corners. If you go in kind of hot, you really got to lean into them. I don't want her riding over her abilities. But she's getting better and better with each ride on that thing. It's very cool, man. It is independent suspension. It's an automatic. And it's got one brake, one foot brake, that's it, man. I got some twisties coming up here. Nice. All right. Well, look for Farmer.
Okay.
Make a right,
Okay.
and then if you went, you'd start looking for Turtle Creek Falls.
Okay.
It's should be a state park.
Okay. Do you want to leave?
Sure, if you want me to.
Yeah. I mean, it's only 45 miles an hour or so.
Sure.
Okay.
All right. I know there was a car back there. Yep. All right, you ready? Alright. Yeah, guys, so on the map it was listed Farmer Road, but we just passed Farner with an N. And that's got to be it, because it was right past another road we were looking for. So, yeah, Turtle Run Road. It was kind of our marker road. So we'll pull in Farner, check it out. Should be it. Should be good to go. Alright, guys, we found the trail. But it was a completely dirt and gravel road. Pulled in, and some dude pulled me over. He said, man, he said, you ever been here before? I said, no. I said, we're just going to check it out. He goes, man, I drove about a quarter mile back in there, and there was still nothing, and the whole road was that dirt and gravel. So he didn't find it. I don't feel like driving on that crappy road, so we're blowing that off. We're gonna follow this road back out again, hit 294, and then see where it takes us. So yeah, what the hell, man, just cruise along, we'll see what happens. Kind of a bummer. I was looking forward to checking that out. Yeah, my subscribers will know Joseph, our Austrian buddy that rides with us. Real character, man. But he drives Kawasaki Concours. And boy, he would love it up here on all these twisties and the corners. He just loves that kind of stuff. But we can't get him up here to save his life, man. But I'm going to still keep working on it. I mean, we got John up here, we got me, we need Joseph to get three amigos together, you know? It's some of the best riding, some of the best videos when us three are together. So between me and John, boy, maybe we can get them convinced into coming. Hell, he's got a free place to stay anytime. I don't know, I don't get it. So if you're watching, Joseph, get your act together and get up here. Should we be coming up on Ducktown, Tennessee here in a minute? Oh man, it feels like temperature's dropping a little bit. Oh yeah, it's getting chilly in the shade for sure. Love it. We just crossed into Ducktown right now, Ducktown, Tennessee. And we are heading to Copper Hill, Tennessee. How about that view, guys? I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. What are you gonna do here, dude? Stay there. Alright guys, we're leaving the gym. Had a great time there. Got entertained by Andy, the owner. Great guy, man. Great establishment. Check it out if you're ever in Copper Hill, Tennessee. We're going to head home. Hope you enjoyed the ride today. If you did, hit that subscribe and we'll catch you on the next ride, probably from Florida.